It's Frankie trying to drill a hole in the ice.
Checking to see if it's safe.
It's fine.
He's really good at starting the auger.
It's good in the ice so it's safe.
Last two fell in.
That'd make it even better.
All that's left is the camera.
Oh, it's nice.
We used it last weekend.
You guys want that last one.
Yeah.
Your turn, Ben.
Me?
You make fun of me.
Yeah. We bought the auger, you gotta start it.
You're the engineer. I don't know what flipping sticks are. I'm supposed to get to the ice easy.
It's A-Hole's turn now. Go A-Hole. Hey, Frank. We're fishing on the ice.
The Minnesota night.
Good form. Oh, there you go. That's the stuff. Listen to that kitty cat purr.
Your turn.
Make the Mexican work for it.
Okay, you start it now.
God dang it!
That's pretty neat.
You guys don't know that you have to hold the throttle down to start it?
Did you?
I do.
Oh, we got it warmed up for you,
That's lots of ice.
That's plenteous.
Let's go see how deep it is.
Okay, let's go catch some fish.
Is the video over?
I don't know.